A report we read 23rd September 2023 stated that Karachi was the most polluted city in the whole world. Now 25% of carbon emissions from Pakistan come from the transport sector.
So our app Sathi is a carpooling app that allows people from the same institution to carpool with one another.
We want to provide a reliable solution and build a sense of community while also making sure we're reducing carbon emissions. Another report we read that was stated in Italy told us that once they implemented carpooling, they were able to reduce carbon emissions by 7 to 8%. Now we believe that if we're able to scale up our solution to the same level in Pakistan, then inshallah we'll be able to reduce the carbon emissions to the same percentage.
We started with the application by first coming up with the functional requirements, and how we did that was carry out interviews, surveys and observations. We used to look at how people commute, what percentage of people are using Paikia, Careem.
We needed a system that's able to pair drivers and riders together. So for that, we created a recommendation system which uses the H3 library to compare different paths together, and it also uses cosine similarity to find the social similarity between the different people.
Our project supervisor was Dr. Qasim Pasta. Initially, making a scalable app seemed like a monumental task, but he really helped us throughout the entire process since he has a background in software engineering.
In these last 4 years at Habib University, we had a lot of different courses that we took. One of these courses was software engineering, which allowed us to understand what kind of questions we needed to ask from ideation to deployment. It allowed us to use skills like CI/CD and Dockerization, which was involved in our project. We also took CS electives such as AI and data science, from which we used information for our recommendation system.
I think what drew me close to the CS degree was my father. He's also a software engineer, and as a kid I've always seen him coding. That really sparked some interest in me. There's a lot of scope in computer science nowadays, and I believe that tech is the future.
They do have a business model, they do have a working application, and I personally think that this is one of the projects which commercially viable and could be a good launch in the city. To be honest, it was very interesting to find these young students. They know what they're doing. They had answer to everything we asked.
Our project is called Assistive X for ALS, जहाँ पे आपके motor neurons जो होते हैं वो degenerate होके मर जाते हैं, leading to eventual paralysis.
We reached out to Dr. Sara Khan. She is the head of neurology department at Aga Khan University Hospital. We asked her कि जब वो ALS patients से communicate कर रही होती हैं तो उन्हें क्या मुश्किलात face आती हैं.
Because of the illiteracy rate जो पाकिस्तान में है, काफ़ी लोग जो हैं जो available devices हैं for the disease and communication उसका इस्तेमाल नहीं कर पाते हैं. Our product implements eye tracking technology which uses eye gaze movements and blinking for patients to communicate with their caretakers and doctors and family. If they select a phrase via blinking, उर्दू में output generate होता है जो कि एक AI generated voice होती है.
We have also integrated visual aids into our application. This will help those people who cannot read or write at all.
We want to work on the scalability of our project. We want it to be accessible, and we also want to work on the eye tracking accuracy of our projects. We want to publish our paper into international journal.
CS sort of opens up a lot of career paths for you. So you can be a web developer, you could go towards software engineering, you could study genetic algorithms, which is personally my interest. So this is exactly why I chose CS.
I must say credit to the university because the way they have briefed and educated their students to interact with the industry leaders, fantastic. After a very long time, मुझे ये लगा है कि हमारा academia and industry जो gap था वो काफी close होना शुरू हुआ है. यहाँ पे आइडिया को जिस तरह रिफाइन किया गया है, जिस तरीके की टूल्स एंड टेक्निक को यूज किया गया है, मैं ये समझता हूँ कि इसमें से बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, स्पेशली ML, IoT and AI बेस्ड, वो काफी हद तक जो है इंडस्ट्री के लिए कारआमद होंगे.
The problem that we've been trying to tackle with our final year project is essentially that of social robot navigation. In the real world, navigating through dynamic and complex environments is a challenge.
We also proposed our own deep reinforcement learning model, namely CAMRL, which stands for Context Aware Mamba Reinforcement Learning. The paper of Mamba was published in December of 2023, so our research is very cutting edge. It gives a large negative penalty whenever the agent or the robot would collide with a human or some static obstacle, and it also maintains a comfort distance.
Social impact would include helping the robot navigate through environments such as mall robots, companion bots, and autonomous wheelchairs.
The idea of social robot navigation came to me when I was in Habib University's research abroad program at Texas A&M. We were working on autonomous driving using deep reinforcement learning. There I realized that a lot of work could be done within this field. Habib has a number of undergraduate research opportunities. Perhaps the most important one is summer Tehqiq research program. Actually, those experiences are what guided me greatly through this research as well. Something that taught me how to read a technical paper and how to do a comprehensive literature review.
I took deep learning, reinforcement learning, and mobile robotics.
Pakistan mein, we generally don't have this culture of focusing on meaningful research as much. What Habib is sort of encouraging and inculcating is doing actual meaningful research. When more graduates go into the industry with these backgrounds in research, and I think that will overall help transform the intellectual landscape within this country. I was assigned a Houston scholarship. आपको पैसे की फिक्र ही नहीं करनी. You can just focus on learning and finding new ways and experimenting.